There's never been a better time to upgrade your windows and doors. The Canada Greener Homes Grant from Natural Resources Canada rewards homeowners for retrofitting their homes with ENERGY STAR certified windows and doors. JELD-WEN makes it easy to cash in. We offer a variety of products that are qualified for many energy-efficient grant programs. We also offer tangible support through in-depth information and tools, such as our Energy Savings and Purchase Rebate Calculator, which outlines the programs available in each region and the exact dollar amount you'll save every year by upgrading to JELD-WEN. All you have to do is complete a pre-retrofit EnerGuide evaluation, purchase and install new ENERGY STAR certified products from JELD-WEN, and then complete a post-retrofit EnerGuide evaluation. Submit your paperwork to Natural Resources Canada to receive up to $5,000 per home and up to $600 to cover your pre- and post-retrofit evaluations. Plus, you can combine the Canada Greener Homes Grant with provincial energy efficiency rebate programs. We make it easy to establish meaningful long-term energy savings for your home. Visit jwgreenerhomes.ca today and get paid for going green with JELD-WEN.